ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today we are here to unbox Paolo Tricot.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, another exciting day in the boutique.
Yes.
Every day is exciting, but
Every day is exciting.
it's the beginning of the season, right? So always exciting. We bought this together for the
No, I think I bought it.
yeah. So it's very surprise for me too, for you, and for me.
And Paolo Tricot is one of those lines that we just dibble dabble in. It's affordable, eh?
Yes.
Very reasonable.
Yes,
Like it's nice quality. Like from what we pick, I find.
quality is
Yeah.
beautiful.
We cherry pick it.
Yeah.
But ladies, also just to let you know, our summer sale is still on, and
Yes.
everything's gone to 60% off.
Yeah.
Gosh, we haven't done that in years.
No, and it's still beautiful weather out.
It is still beautiful, and there's some gems in here. So
Look outside, and people are wearing shorts.
tan pricing, and the sun is shining. It's beautiful. I love fall.
Me too. I love this weather.
But what were your highlights from summer?
Well, your other older brother and I went to BC, right, to a wedding.
Yeah.
Josh, we went to Kitty Met, and it was an amazing time. We had such an amazing time. It was relatives, right? A cousin of mine, his son got married, and they always came all the way here for all your weddings.
Yes, very soon.
Areas too, so we had to go, even though it was a very busy time for me, right in the middle of the move, right?
It was a big, I know you said too, the travel there was a bit,
Well, it's a long way. Like, we left at 6 in the morning and we arrived at 5 their time, 5 in the afternoon.
because you had to stop over in Calgary.
Yeah, we flew to Calgary
And Kitty Mat is like way up there.
yeah, it's like right on the coast. We had to then fly to Terrace, and from Terrace we rented a car, and it was about a half an hour drive to their place. And we were in a hotel, all of us, all the guests, and we had a smash.
How special with you that time with John?
Yes, that was very special, and it was really nice. Somebody at the wedding said, "Wow, it's so nice that you're here to see all your family." He said, "Well, the most special thing about it is to spend time with my mother."
It's so special.
It's so special
It's
because
just take us all away once she, each of us
it's
individually.
true. No, it's true. How nice would that be? And I used to do that. Well, by the time you came around, it's kind of went by the wayside. But I used to take each one, like Sebastian and Josh, one day a week. I would ask them, "What would you like to do with me for a few hours?" And Sebastian wanted to go to the shopping mall. Josh wanted to go fishing with. Things like that. When you have quite a few children, I think it's special to spend extra time.
Yeah.
But you got all my extra time when you
I'm the youngest ladies of 4.
yeah.
So I have 3 older brothers. Sebastian was born then 3 years, and then we're all 2 years apart.
So a little later. So by the time you were like 6, your brothers hung out with their friends and stuff.
Yeah.
So you were the princess, right? She definitely was the
Okay.
princess.
Okay. So my highlight of the summer,
Yeah.
ladies, was, well, there's a few, but one, I went to Montreal
Yes.
for the tennis open.
Yes. You did.
Yeah, so that was amazing. Last year, me and my friend Jen, my good friend that I played tennis with, we went to see the men in Toronto, and we did a weekend package, but this year they were in Montreal. So Brian loves Montreal, and he likes tennis as well. Probably not as much as us, but he enjoyed it. And Jen came, and Jen's cousin. So we had an amazing weekend in Montreal, and that was super fun. Here's a few pictures. We went to some great restaurants and, caught the tennis on the Saturday, and it was great. So that was a fun little getaway. But yeah, so you look lovely.
Thank you.
Luca.
Lucas, love the colors. Immense stone. It's beautiful. It's got this crinkle. It's freestyle. He keeps kicking it, mister.
He's got half the couch.
This is how he's on our bed too, right?
Is he sprawled out?
Yeah, and then when you want to move him with your leg, he goes,
Yeah, he does growl.
growls like an bear.
I know.
So free size, right? Long tank and no
Cop leggy leggings.
Like that.
So Leo,
So you clear.
you're all decked out.
So you clear.
No, I don't have any necklaces.
But these earrings are,
I know, I keep picking the tube earrings because they're my new favorite.
and I love this combination.
Yeah, so ladies, look at this. I think this is the last one, but it matches the colors perfectly.
Perfect.
I'll show you a picture of me standing up in it, but I think it's pretty cool.
It's very cool.
Lousje's pick. So
All right.
let's see what we have to bring into the boutique. And black, my happy spot. I think a lot of women love black.
You know, I read up on black the other day, and it said people perceive you as being mysterious,
Oh,
artistic,
okay.
and yeah, mysterious, and it's true.
But it's so fun because it's a blank palette, and it's how you know, it's your blank canvas.
Yeah, no, I still like to wear it too.
And I find it very flattering.
It's very flattering.
But I have come across some women, met like a couple of women that cannot wear black just with their skin tone or their hair.
Yeah.
And it's
not for
interesting.
everybody.
It's not for everybody. So here is another beautiful dress. These were the two dresses that I picked out of the collection. They were
I
dynamite.
love this little color with the zipper.
Yeah. And we love the spin of taffeta and the knit mix.
Yeah,
This is a nice light French terry.
right. Yeah, it's beautiful.
We'll definitely style these up for you tomorrow.
Yeah, I
ladies.
can't wait.
These are really cute. I think you would love this.
Yeah. Oh yes.
So it's a little vest.
Oh, I love it too. Like the architecture.
I know, and look how the
Structured.
I know. So that's the back, and that's the front.
Sorry. Little quilted fabric.
Yes,
Fun.
nice and cozy.
And of course the
And
black.
of course, in black.
Very nice.
Great piece.
Great.
To pair up.
Great. Yeah.
I've been waiting for this skirt. This is a skirt, lovely ladies.
How do I put this?
Oh,
Oh, mamma mia.
I have quite a few skirts in this crunchy fabric, but none this shiny, and I'm very excited about it.
Too. Yeah, me too.
We're gonna have to fight over it.
And it's all about the skirts, you know?
It's all about the skirts.
Yeah.
And for you lovelies that don't want to wear the black, a beautiful sort of tobacco cognac
Cognac,
rich color.
butterscotch.
Oh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Imagine a nice heavy black sweater, like with a little French tuck and boots. Oh,
I would wear off-white with this too.
yeah, that would be gorgeous.
Creamy off-white,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah, beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful. And one more piece, ladies, in two colors, and this is so cool. It's pretty fun. Look at it is a sweater.
A sweater
It is super cool.
with this
A really nice fabric.
gorgeous pattern and these patches.
Yeah,
Little slits on the side.
it's got denim patches here, and then it's kind of graffiti work.
A crew neck.
And I'm gonna put that on with the skirt for you tomorrow because I think it'll look fabulous. I love that look with these skirts.
Yeah.
And then you have like a nice like chunky cash sweater. But look at this with the cognac.
Oh yeah, Tessa. See?
And then accessorize it on top to pick up the cognac.
Yeah, and then this too with the denim, right?
Yeah, it's fabulous.
Black jeans, blue jeans.
Yeah, and this collection sizing starts at a size small. It goes small to extra large. So we'll let you know what sizes we're wearing tomorrow. We're going to style these all up for you. We're going to intermix and match them.
Yeah.
Yeah, and watch out too, because on Wednesday, ladies, so tomorrow we're going to do our style video Tuesday, but Wednesday, we have a new line dropping here in the boutique, and it is called Kozin. Made in Turkey, a beautiful European collection. We cannot wait to show you.
Yeah. We're excited.
Yeah. But we hope you had an amazing summer as well. And please comment below and let us know what your favorite highlights were.
Yeah.
We do read all of the comments. We may not respond to every single one of them, but we do read them all.
We do.
And we love it. Have an amazing day. We'll see you tomorrow and
Keep on smiling.